YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Now you're watching this video and you found this video because you want to know how to get Starfield for free, and this works in 2024. This is a brand new working method and it's going to get you a digital game code you can redeem in the platform of choice, and yeah, it's going to download the full copy of the game. So let me get into the instructions, guys. You need to use your mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone. If you have an Android, you can use that. And you need to go to this website, so just make sure you have an internet connection on your mobile. www.topdogcodes.com. So Top Dog Codes, this website here. And when you reach this website, you need to manually search for the Starfield page. So go to the search bar and type in Starfield. This is the page you need to find, Starfield free digital game code. So click on that page and scroll down. Now you can get a copy of the game for any of the Xbox consoles. You can get it for PC and Steam. So just select the console you wish to get a copy of Starfield for. I personally play on Xbox, so click on show code. And you need to unlock your personal game code, guys. This game is still pretty expensive despite how long it's been out, so these codes are protected to basically stop people from profiting from this. So tap unlock code, and I'm not going to do it, I've already got the game and I want to save these codes for you guys. But when that reaches 100%, you're going to see a new screen appear and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, which I know can be a bit annoying, but you are getting a free copy of the game for this, so I think it's well worth it. So yeah, that's gonna get you the code and then you can redeem it on either Xbox or PC. So go to topdogcodes.com. If you need any help, leave them in the comment section below. I can try and help everyone who needs it. Smash that like button if you got your free copy of the game, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Enjoy. Peace out.